my channel. Yeah, Valentine's Day is soon, and so I thought I'll do a quick and easy Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and this is how it turned out. I think it's a very easy and simple Valentine's Day look, but also a little bit smoky and sexy, and so I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I have two lip options. It's the nude one and the red one. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. First of all, I'm just priming my eyelids, and for that I'm using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer, and I think it works very good as an eyeshadow base because it covers all the wings, and if you set it with a powder, it keeps your eyeshadow in place all day long. And it's a very cheap concealer, so it doesn't matter if you take a little bit more of it. And then I just take the Essence Banana Powder to set everything in place. And as my eyeshadow palette, I'm just using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and as my transition color, I'm just taking the color Candied Peach, and I'm just putting it right into my crease, and I'm just slowly building it up to get the color intensity I really want. And as you can see, I've already put some tape along my lower lash line because I want to create this cat eye effect. And it's also a very good guideline to create a very sharp wing. And then I'm going in with the color Puree, and I'm just placing it on the outer V of my eyelid and a little bit into my crease, and I blend the two colors together. And I think that you can wear this eyeshadow look to every kind of occasion, or also as an everyday makeup look, because it's very easy and not too dramatic. And I'm just blending out the harsh edges. And then I'm using the color Tempting as my eyeliner. Actually, you can't see it on camera, but it was a mess because this eyeshadow was all over my face, so I would recommend doing your eyes first and then applying foundation. And then I've just used my Bourjois mascara, and I tried to coat my lashes a couple of times to achieve a very long lashes. You can also use falsies, but I just wanted to skip it because I'm not very good at applying them. And maybe you can see it on my eyeshadow. It happens to me all the time when I use mascara. It always gets onto my eyelid. So if you have an idea how to avoid this, then please let me know. But I found out that the best way to remove this mascara from the eyeshadow is to simply let it dry. And then I'm just going in with a blending brush, and I just blend the mascara into my eyeshadow. Moving on to my face, I'm just using my Baby Skin primer from Maybelline, and I just put it all over my face. And just to know, I've already prepped my skin with moisturizer. And then I'm going in with my Catrice HD Liquid Camouflage, not concealer, of course foundation, and it's the only foundation that I use without lightening or darkening drops because the color is perfect. And I like this foundation so much because it's so lightweight and similar to BB cream, but it has a very good coverage and it blends out very well. And for that I'm just using my damp beauty sponge again. And make sure to always blend your foundation down your neck and into your hairline. And then I'm just going in with my two concealers, the Catrice one and the Manhattan Wake Up Concealer, and I'm just placing it underneath my eyes. And I always use these two concealers because they give me the perfect color and they blend perfectly together. And I'm just blending it out with my beauty sponge again. And I always use these two because the Catrice is too light and the Manhattan one is a little bit too dark, but together they are perfect. And then I'm just placing the concealers on my forehead and the bridge of my nose and my chin too. And I do this to highlight my face a little bit, so it's not only underneath my eyes. And for that extra coverage, I'm just taking the Catrice concealer and place a little bit more underneath my eyes because I have a huge discoloration underneath my eyes. Yeah. Then I'm just setting all the place I've put concealer with the Catrice banana powder. Oh, it's the Essence one, sorry. And I just put it on the places to set the concealer in place. And it's not drying out, so it's perfect for my under eye area. And to finish up the eyes, I'm just taking the two eyeshadow colors again and just blend them underneath my lower lash line. And I don't know why, but I always have to make this very weird face. It looks so stupid, sorry. And then I'm just taking the same mascara again and put it onto my lower lashes. Same weird face again, of course. And then I'm just taking this very light color and I'm just placing it underneath my brow bone, and it's in the color White Peach. And then I'm just taking this Catrice bronzer to bronze up my skin because now I'm very light only with this foundation, and I just take a little bit and then slowly build it up. I've recently uploaded a video where I show you my top 5 favorite bronzers and another one with my top 5 favorite drugstore mascaras. So I will leave the links to the videos in the description box so you can check them out if you want. And then I'm just bronzing a little bit my forehead and of course underneath my cheekbones to get this very sun-kissed look. And then I'm going in with this Essence matte blush, and I think this color is perfect for every kind of occasion or season because it's not too, pink, but it's gorgeous. And I just put it onto the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going in with this Catrice liquid highlighter. I'm so sorry guys, I think that this was a limited edition, but I just love this highlighter because look at this gorgeous glow, it's so beautiful. The only thing I don't like about it is that it dries so damn fast, so you have to blend it out very, very quickly. But that's the only thing because it's very cheap. Or it was very cheap. I don't think that you can buy it now. It was a winter edition, but I just love it. And I'm just putting it onto my inner tear dots too, to highlight a little bit. And for lips, I'm taking this NYX matte lip cream, and that's gorgeous, a red lip. It's a must-have for Valentine's Day. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!